Yelp, which used to be a nothing little company and is now just humongous and successful, is really at the top of a wave. And that wave is location-based services or location-aware services. And what will be driving that is the smartphone, right? And maybe to some extent the mobile phone. But anyway, it's just humongous. It will eclipse anything in the social media space. So this gives you a sense of where it was in 2012. And now I want to talk about the poster child of location awareness. How many people have heard of Foursquare before? How many people have used Foursquare? Okay, one person. And you don't count. Just teasing.
We're novices.
No, she's the TA for the class. Okay, so what we can see is that Foursquare is not as big as Facebook and Twitter, but it's awfully big, and lots of people are using it. And on the user side, what are they using it for? Checking in. Checking in where? Everywhere. Why would you want to do that?
I don't know. I didn't catch on to this.
And that's okay. So you might want to do that if you're a certain age, because then, you know, if you're in downtown, you're at a bar, you can find your friends at another bar, or maybe they could join you. And so there's social in that, right? But there's way more, and certainly way more from a business point of view. So Foursquare is really a death-defyingly interesting marketing tool for incentivizing customers. And so this is a picture of the application on your cell phone. And these are some of your friends. And they might, you know, if they decided to let you know where they are, if they turn it on, you can find out that this one's at a cafe, and this one's somewhere else, and this one is somewhere else. That's fine. And so you can find out where they are. Now, what Foursquare has done is really incredible. First of all, they have something called badges. And customers earn badges, right? You can all sorts of badges. And usually, they're tied to something that a customer might want. A free or discount coffee. A shirt. Whatever it is. And you can get, and believe it or not, lots of people think this is really cool, particularly if they're getting something for it, if they're being incentivized for it. And for a while, the biggest vogue on the planet was being the mayor of your favorite Starbucks, your favorite bridge, your favorite museum, your favorite anything. And not only for that, you could put it on your cell phone. People would know that you were the mayor. You would get discounts from now and evermore. It doesn't come down. So you really begin to get people kind of excited. But that's not all that you can do with location-aware services.
Now, just to clarify, the mayor is
the mayor is the first person to have accomplished all of the tasks required by Starbucks or that they put on the bridge for being the mayor of that little bit. It was highly competitive. And of course, like I said, you were incentivized to do it because you got discounts, free things. You became the mayor of your favorite pub. Please.
As a merchant, can I create my own badges?
Yes, absolutely. And I'm going to show you some very creative badges. So you can have badges. Congratulations, you've checked in at 5 different Starbucks. Make sure to get a double tall latte for your friend. How cool is that, and how great a marketing kind of a technique. And then the mayors are the ones that, you know, they get even more benefits. And they compete if they all like the same bookstore or whatnot. So this is how it works. First of all, you can use it to see where your friends are. And, you know, you're feeling a little lonely. You're downtown, there are only 2 of you. You know, you could get together. You could have a group of friends going to your favorite place. You can check in on the go and ask anybody, have you ever heard, do you have any sense of the Starbucks on Middlefield Avenue? Is it any good? Cafe Baroni, do you like it? And get instant feedback. You can sync it to a text message, which is going out of favor a little bit. And you certainly can collect badges. And these are the badges for, I don't know who these are the badges for. I think that these are Foursquare badges. But I'm going to show you other kinds of usages. And it can be really compelling because you can sync it, you can put it on your Facebook page and take advantage of all of those network effects. I mean, it's a really powerful concept, and it's taken off. It's very powerful, and it's going to play itself out time and time again. So here's another example of a mayor. He went 9 times to Chipotle Mexican Grill, wherever it is, and one day away from becoming a mayor and getting discounts, right? And telling your friends. This is, amazing stuff. But what I want to tell you is that this kind of technology, this local awareness and information, is really powerful. And when you see a museum using it like an art form, you know it really has arrived. So what happens is that they have multiple mayors, and they have people that really like the Brooklyn Museum, and they get to get their pictures up. Right? That's pretty impressive. And they say, check in at our location 3 times to get a BK Art Star badge, and then that will give you something. Let me see what it'll give you. I don't know. They don't tell me here. Okay, so you get a special offer as to what you get if you're the mayor, one of the mayors of the Brooklyn Museum. And this is really clever. It shows you what creative people can do. These are tips of what you can find in the museum. And the Brooklyn Museum also has tips as to what you can find in the area. All right, so you want a chocolate, you want a dinner, whatever it is, and people in the employees, and this are the people who checked in. And some of them use their avatars, and some of them use their faces, but you get the idea that this is really special. Something is happening at the Brooklyn Museum.